Hello coders, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to create a simple but attractive power up effect in Unity 2D. The power up will glow, leaves a trail behind it and smooth move towards to the player when active. This is type of a effect commonly used for orbs, health pickups or magical collectibles. It will make your game feel more polished, give player better visual feedback when they collect the reward. Okay, let's get back to the video. For that, first we will create one shader graph. Right click, create shader graph, URP, lit, and name it as power up. Open it. We need two variables mainly. One is color, glow color, and another one is float, glow intensity, and one more thing is texture, that is the power. We just name it as a power. We need basic MCU, yes, yeah, these things we need. First we are going to create a node UV, and we will use this to subtract, and I need a vector too, so we can set like a center point we can get by doing 0.5 tab 0.5, and we are going to get the length. You guys can see it's kind of circle. We got the center, and we are going to -1, and power I want like 10, so it will be looks like power, and we need to give the power intensity, glow intensity. So for that, multiply glow intensity, we are going to attach over here. And one more thing is color, multiply glow color, we are going to add intensity, we will put some around 10. Okay, and directly go to MCU. Color we are going to set as HDRA, and I want like this color. MSU is done, and we are going to take the texture, our sample texture 2D. I am having a basic circle image, so I am just using this. If you guys have a really good circle, you can also use that. This normal one, multiply with this glow, and you got this. This going to basic color. Okay, let's see. Scene here, the circle. We are going to add one more sprite circle, put it as power up. With this circle, okay, we will use that, or right click, create material, shader graph power up, drag and drop this one here. Guys can see there is a black. For that, we'll use our circle because mainly the image won't be look good. Might be that. Now it's look like power up. Let me check. It's a big image, that's why it's look like we need to reduce the size, or else it will be good. If you guys have a smaller one, issue, but we can reduce it for current being. Create one tail. While if you see the power up is spawn and it's follow the player. If trail is there, it look more cool. For that we just need to alter it. I want like 0.5 and add one more key, set it to 0, try one more one, so slightly bend it so it's look like curve. Okay, then the value for this thing 0.3 and vertex 0.5, and we need to set the color. For this I'm going to pick the power up, that, and put this alpha to 0. Then texture scale like 0.5. I want view and stretch, so while this is moving it's look like power up. And also we need to put this one like -1, so it will go behind the circle, so it's look like kind of power up. And one more script we are going to create here for get near to the player by itself. So power up, follow, we need transform for player, public transform player, and I need to define the speed, so public float, move speed, I just put some 5 over here. Public float, collect distance equal to 0.2f. Why the collect distance is, if the power up comes near to the player, I want to set it false or destroy. Always we need to check if player is not null. If player is null, then return, otherwise it will hit errors. Player.transform.position equal to vector 3 dot move towards transform dot position come up player dot position, come on move speed into time dot filter time. That's it. And here we are going to check vector 3 dot distance transform dot position player dot position less than distance collectible distance. Then now I'm just destroying. We can do it optimized after some time. Game object, okay, we will see. Oh, power up. We're going to select the player and put duplicate. Why I am duplicating is whenever we have already created a breaking effect for this objects, in here we need to put power ups. I will change only small line of a code. I will show you guys also that what is it is like when the particle is playing, that time I am getting the power up parent equal to null and set it to true and set the position to hit point. So whenever the player is hitting, that time it will broke, and from there the power up will come. Okay, I think done. We will hit play and check. Hope it's work. Oop, oh, why trail is not there? Something is every time somewhere something is missing. That power up came, but I don't know why. Let's check why. Power up and this power up and this also that power up. Transform done. Missing reference. Destroyed. Why it is destroying? Oh, I think I created the power up start itself. Oh, guys, you have to set it false, otherwise it will fire at the start itself without playing, without we see the power up will end. Okay, let's see it. Yeah, wow. Power up is coming. Why trail is not coming? Be the thing order of layer. Yeah, order of the layer is the big issue. We will put the power ups to 1, then the trail under will be behind it, so we have no issue. 10.5 smaller. 0.5 yep. Power ups. Going to put like it's getting too fast, so I will put like 7. Let's hit and play. Hope it's work. Yeah. It looks cool, right? If it is following the player. Yeah. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching.